So this is the laundry room tour. So this side of the laundry room is the ironing room because they don't allow us to have irons in our room. So you come down here to iron your clothes, and as you can see, it has the iron, the switch. They have like the thing for your shirts. They have the board, and they even have like clothing racks and folding tables and little hangers you can have. Here is like a little lounge area where you can sit and wait for your clothes. This right here is for you to buy and reload your card so you can do laundry. It's like for laundry tickets. And they have baskets above dryers and washers, above the dryers and washers. And as you can see, these are the ones that are straight for coins, and they also have the card option, but these are only for the card option. And there are a lot. These are the washers, the ones that have the blue, and the dryers have the pink. And they also have little bins so you can hold your clothes. And yeah, so this is the laundry room at Ewha.